Hey guys, it's me, Steve WB. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're doing a 4-camera comparison at Magic Kingdom. We're going to be comparing the Lumix G9, the GoPro Hero 8, the DJI Osmo Pocket 1, and then of course my phone. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because I don't want to ruin that part. So let's do some walking vlog test of the 4 different cameras. This is going to be the Lumix G9 walking vlog test with a Rokinon 10mm lens. How's it look? Let's get into the rest of the video. And here is the GoPro Hero 8 with the media mod kit. Still, of course, at Magic Kingdom. So just how does this one look compared to the others? Just let me know. And here is the vlog test with the DJI Osmo Pocket 1, not the 2. I don't have the wide angle lens on it, it's just the standard lens that came with the camera. How does this look compared to the other cameras? Let's spin it around to get some more footage. There's a castle behind that tree, I promise. DJI Osmo Pocket. And this is the walking vlog test with my phone. It's a brand new phone, just came out. But can you figure out which one it is? How does this look? You tell me. And then this is going to be my phone again with the super wide angle. Does this look better than the first walking test with the phone? Which I guess technically this is all still the same as the first. So it's really one walking vlog test. How does it look? Let me know. Okay, so now that you've seen the walking vlog test, I'm just going to take some more footage with each of the cameras, all shot in 4K, post that up for you to compare. And what we're trying to find out today, is it actually worth it to carry around a big, expensive camera as compared to your phone, or the Osmo Pocket, or the Hero 8, or something like that. So let's check out the footage and you just let me know.
With you the sun is shining 24/7. 'Cause when we're together it feels like we're in heaven. If it will get dark, you'll be my million stars. I know I can lean on you. Oh, you catch me like a leaf falling from a tree. If I'll be a shooting star, you make a wish. No, I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. When I wake up in the morning and I see your face, I'm becoming blind by your dazzling grace. What a beautiful feeling to be close to you. There's nothing else I wanna do. Ooh, and from the fields of flowers you chose to pick me. You're spreading sugar on my misery. And I don't fake this kind of feeling, never felt so real. My heart is on the table 'cause you're my everything. I do, I wanna marry you. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day we spend apart, I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight just like you do. Feels so good, so good. 'Cause when you're around, I know it's true. The way you make me feel is so good, baby. So good, so good. Every single day was fun apart. I wanna be with you. Baby, take my hand, hold it tight, just like you do.
Okay, so what did you guys think about the 4 different cameras? Now, as far as my opinion, for a quick like run and gun camera, I think I'm going to stick with my phone because I think it is just way better than the GoPro or the DJI Osmo Pocket. But if I want to get that real like dynamic range and that real crisp look, I think I would just bring my G9. So my normal vlog cameras that I'm going to use now at Disney is going to be my phone and the G9. And I'll just get the G9 out when I want to get something that looks like really, really good. But as far as recording rides and just run and gun shooting and 90% of the vlogs, I think I'm going to be converting to my phone for now, just because the picture looks so good on it. The colors are well saturated. Most of my videos are shot for our family channel, and it's, you know, when your kids or other kids are watching your videos and stuff, you want a high saturation. It just makes it look more playful and more fun. So I think the Note 20 Ultra is going to prove to be quite a valuable asset, and just along with the portability, and you're already carrying your phone. I can hook the Deity D4 Duo up to it. I have a gimbal if I need it, but I think it's stable enough that you really don't. So I think the overall vlog winner is going to be the Note 20 Ultra, but if you want that just more professional, clean look, I would suggest also bringing a professional or a bigger camera. So that's it for the comparison. Drop a comment down below which camera you thought was best or which one you would use for your vlogs. I'm Steve WB, and I'm out.